Hi everyone, look at this beautiful yellow rose flower. Let's make it. Here we are using yellow color of crepe paper. You can take whatever color you like. You can make red color rose flower, pink color or blue color. Now you have to hold the paper from one corner and start twisting it using your thumb. Here we are going to make a shape like this. So hold the paper and start twisting it like we are doing here and you will get a shape like this. Later we will make the petals using these circle shapes like this. Now it's done. Twist it at this corner. Now holding that corner, start rolling the paper like this and look, your rose flower is ready. Gently roll it. You don't have to hold it tightly. After this we are going to put a rubber band and tie it. You can also use a thread. In place of this, now cut the extra part of the tissue paper like this and look, it's done. After this we are going to put glue inside it and here we are going to paste this green stick at the center and look, it's ready. Now we are going to cover it using floral tape. It will give a nice look to the flower. Roll the floral tape and we are also pasting this leaf on the base and look, your flower is ready. In this video, we're going to use acrylic and make beautiful flowers out of it. So cut the top, now make multiple cut on it. Similar way, we're going to make more flowers and petals like this. After this, we're going to fold all of them and look, it's ready. Similar way, we're going to put all the two flowers one after another and paste the petals on its outside. Now paste the leaves as well. Combine it using floral tape and look, your flowers are ready. You can make more such flowers. In this video, we are going to make these beautiful flowers. You can use it as home decor. Here we are going to cut this 16 to 17 centimeter white crepe paper and look at the measurement. Here we are going to make pleats from its top portion. Twist it and pull the paper downwards like this. Now paste it using hot glue gun. Now again, we have to twist it, the remaining portion. Now pull it as well and similar way we are going to paste it and look, your flower petal is ready. Make 3 such petals. Now we are going to take a larger paper. Here we are going to make a large petal. So similar way we are going to twist it from both up and downwards and make 3 more such petals. Now take another tissue paper, put it on the top of this green stick and tie it using rubber band. After this, paste it using hot glue gun. Then we are going to cover it using these small shape of petals like this. Similar way we are going to paste the large petals like this and cover it as well like we are doing here and look, your flower is ready. Now keep it aside. Now we are going to make the leaves using this green crepe paper. So cut the shape of the leaf, fold it and we are going to paste it using double-sided tape around the stick like this and look, your flowers are ready. We're going to make these beautiful flowers, so let's get started. Here we are folding this white tissue paper. Fold it, cut it, again fold it from its top and bottom in triangular shape. Again fold it and make 6 such shapes. After this, we're going to put 2 shapes together like this. Here we are going to combine two shapes in the set of 3 and tie it using rubber band like this at the center. You can also use a thread in place of this and look, it's done. Now make partitions like this. After this, we are going to gently open all the petals one after another using your thumb like we are doing here. Gently open all the petals and look, your flower is ready. You can also add some colors like we are putting this pink and red color on the top of it using a brush and look, the shade is looking so pretty. After this, we are going to roll all the petals using this green stick and it's done. You can also add more color on the top and finish it. Finally, we are going to paste this green stick at the center using hot glue gun. Now we are going to make the leaf. So cut this green crepe paper and give it a shape of leaf like this. Now twist it from one side and gently press it and curve it as well. After this, we are going to paste all of them together. Here we are using floral tape. So we are going to roll flowers and leaves together on the stick and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.